If you're looking for a chill na place and coffee, this hidden cafe is right for you. Hey guys, for today's Chibugan may na-discover kaming hidden cafe, Coffee Estetica Cafe located at J4 Hub, Barangay San Isidro, Montalban, Rizal. Pagpasok mo, mafe-feel mo agad yung comforting feeling, very spacious and amoy malinis that's give you relaxing vibe. And as you can see, every corner is IG-worthy photos. For the menu, here it is, may pasta, sandwiches, salad, snacks, and wide variety of drinks. And what we ordered nga sa pasta nila, of course yung carbonara, clubhouse in Monte Cristo sa sandwich, and nag-add din kami ng mango kani salad. Sa drinks naman yung bago nila na milky strawberry cream and white mocha caramel. I start with the appetizer, mango kani salad, ang generous ng serving and ang fresh ng mga veggies niya. Manamis na miss dahil sa mango and medyo may asim from the dressing. Next ko syempre yung carbonara habang mainit pa, ang dami din ng serving plus may toasted bread on the side. Super creamy and tamang-tama lang yung lasa and nag-complement yung toasted bread on the side. Eto naman yung clubhouse with chips na na-appreciate ko bawat layer kasi kitang-kita ko kung gaano ka-generous yung laman. Kung apat kayo magkakasama is good na to with coffee or anything drinks na magugustuhan nyo. Eto naman yung Monte Cristo sandwich nila na magugustuhan ng mga kids. Soft and tasty, lasan-lasa ko yung melted cheese. Of course, hindi mawawala yung drinks. Milky strawberry cream for me, which is nagustuhan ko talaga bukod sa strawberry lover ako dahil hindi siya lasang powder. This one naman is yung white mocha caramel na grabe yung aroma, ginagawa pa lang gusto ko nang matikman. Milky na may parang vanilla taste, coffee, and caramel. Ang sarap ng combination. Overall experience is good and talagang enjoy and na-relax kami. Pag pagod ka or gusto mo makipag-chit-chat with friends, best hangout dito sa Coffee Estetica Cafe. Good thing pa, hindi problema yung parking area nila kasi sobrang lawak sa baba. Worth the visit. So ayun lang guys, until my next food trip, thank you for watching. Bye!